When you search for the best Arksen Universal Roof Racks, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, C Hardware Crossbars. First up, we have the C Hardware Universal Roof Rack Crossbars. Priced at just $53.96, I was really drawn to its simplicity and solid build. If you want basic functionality without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. It boasts a load capacity of 170 pounds, which is great for carrying kayaks or luggage. The 120 cm length fits most four-door vehicles without side rails and comes with everything you need for installation. Just make sure you don't over-tighten. The ratchet tie-down holds everything firmly in place. This is crucial for avoiding the chaos of lost gear on the highway. Now, some people complain that the installation can be a bit tricky, especially if you're not familiar with roof racks. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the instructions, it's manageable. Just be aware that it's not suitable for two-door cars or MPVs, so check your vehicle type first. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and straightforward solution for occasional use. Skip this one if you need something for heavier, more frequent hauling, as it might not meet your needs long-term. Now, if the C Hardware's limitations bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Arksen Extra Wide Cargo Rack 84x50. Next up is the Arksen 84x50-inch Universal Extra Wide Heavy Duty Roof Rack Cargo, coming in at $227.96. The sheer size and capacity caught my attention right away. If you want a robust cargo solution for your SUV or truck, you should definitely consider this. Why does this product solve your problem? It has a whopping capacity of 150 pounds, so you can haul everything from camping gear to moving boxes. The heavy-duty steel construction means it's built to last, and the black powder coating protects it from rust and corrosion. Plus, the bottom metal bars and side rails help keep your items secure while driving. No one wants to lose their gear on the highway. Now here's an honest flaw. Some users noted that the installation can be a hassle due to its size, requiring extra hands. But if you're willing to put in the effort, the robustness and security it offers make it worth it. Just ensure it fits your vehicle's crossbars before you buy. This is perfect for you if you're often on road trips or camping adventures. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact, as this one is definitely more suited for larger vehicles. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something more compact. Product number 3, Arksen Extra Wide Cargo Rack 64x50. Now let's talk about the Arksen 64x50-inch heavy-duty roof rack cargo, priced at $189.96. I was drawn to its balance of size and price. If you're looking for a strong cargo basket without the larger footprint, this is a great choice. This model also supports up to 150 pounds, just like its bigger sibling. It's perfect for keeping your camping gear or luggage safe during your travels. The extra security features with metal bars and side rails mean you can drive without worrying about your items flying off. However, a few reviews mention that the assembly can be complicated, especially if you're doing it solo. But honestly, once it's up there, it performs beautifully. Just be ready to spend a little time on installation. This is perfect for you if you want a solid roof rack that fits most vehicles without taking over your roof space. Skip this one if you need maximum cargo capacity, as this may not be the ideal choice for oversized items. Now, if the installation issue with the previous product put you off, wait until you see this next option that comes with a bonus. Product number 4, Arksen Cargo Rack with Waterproof Bag. Next is the Arksen 64x50-inch Roof Rack Cargo with a waterproof cargo bag, retailing for $294.46. The combination of a cargo rack with a waterproof bag is what really caught my eye. If you want to keep your cargo dry during those unexpected rain showers, this is worth a look. This option also holds up to 150 pounds and shares the same durable steel construction as the other models. The cargo bag adds an extra layer of protection for your luggage, making it perfect for long trips where weather can be unpredictable. The metal bars and side rails keep everything secure, while the easy installation means you can get on the road quickly. However, some buyers found the cargo bag to be a bit smaller than expected. Here's the thing though, while it might not hold everything, it does provide great protection for what it can fit, so it could still be a worthy investment if you plan well. This is perfect for you if you frequently travel in varying weather conditions. Skip this if you're not a fan of the additional bulk that comes with the cargo bag. Alright, that was a unique option. But if you really want to maximize your cargo capacity, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 5. Arksen Extra Wide Cargo Rack with Waterproof Bag 84x50. Finally, we have the Arksen 84x 50-inch heavy-duty roof rack cargo with a waterproof bag, priced at $360.96. The larger size combined with the waterproof bag makes this a standout option. If you need to transport larger items while keeping them dry, this one is definitely worth considering. The extra dimensions make it ideal for larger loads, while the waterproof cargo bag ensures that your gear stays dry no matter the weather. Plus, the easy installation process means you won't waste time getting it set up. One downside is the price. It's the most expensive on this list. Some might find it hard to justify, especially if they don't need the added space. But if you're regularly handling larger items or multiple bags, the investment pays off. This is perfect for you if you often head out on larger adventures or trips where keeping your gear dry is essential. Skip this one if you're not looking to spend extra for the larger size and waterproof feature. So to quickly compare all 5, C Hardware offers a budget-friendly option but lacks features for heavy hauling. The 2 Arksen cargo racks provide excellent utility at different sizes, while the last 2 add that protective cargo bag for peace of mind in any weather. To wrap it up, whatever your needs, there's an Arksen roof rack that fits. Whether you're after simplicity with C Hardware or robust durability with Arksen, you've got options. So choose wisely based on your specific requirements, and happy travels.